Welcome to MT LegendLooms. Today we dive into a gripping tale that showcases the indomitable spirit of humanity amidst one of nature's fiercest trials. Let's explore the story of the Rising Waters, a heart-touching narrative of survival, resilience, and hope during a catastrophic flood. In a serene village nestled between lush green hills and a winding river, life flowed in harmony with nature. But one monsoon, the river had a story of its own to tell, a story of fury. It began with a relentless downpour. The villagers, accustomed to monsoon rains, paid little heed at first. But soon the river swelled, and whispers of an impending flood spread like wildfire. Families hurriedly packed their belongings, seeking refuge on higher ground. Among them was 12-year-old Aarav, his sister Mira, and their grandmother. Aarav's father, a fisherman, was away, leaving him to lead his family to safety. The river roared louder as it engulfed fields, homes, and bridges. The night was dark, and the only light came from the occasional lightning, illuminating the devastation. Aarav, though frightened, remained steadfast. He guided his family to a school-turned-shelter and then joined others in helping stranded villagers. Together, they built makeshift rafts and rescued those trapped by the rising waters. The community came together like never before. Strangers became friends, and hope glimmered in their collective spirit. Aarav, with his courage, became a beacon of hope for many. Days later, as the rains eased, rescue teams arrived with food, water, and medical aid. The villagers, though shaken, stood resilient. They began rebuilding their homes and their lives, stronger and united. This story of the Rising Waters is a testament to human courage and community spirit. It reminds us that even in the face of nature's wrath, hope and resilience can prevail. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MT LegendLooms. Let's continue weaving tales that inspire and unite us all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next story.